So this is the Robbins Myers 50 cycle list 11510 110 volt fan that I drove a few hours to pick up yesterday, and I plugged it in yesterday and it wasn't working, but after some cleaning and some gentle persuasion in Marshall Smith's hands, well, it just came right on board. That's on high. It's a pretty quiet fan, actually. It's really smooth. I balanced the blades a little bit. Wasn't as balanced earlier. That's actually 50 cycle on 120 volts. So if I were to crank it down to, it's on a variac right now, if I were to crank it down to 110, which is what the tag says, 110 volt, then runs even slower. That's on high now. Really the problem was the slide switch was pretty corroded inside and everything was super gummy. And I haven't cleaned the gearbox out or done anything like that, but so for the harsh lighting, we can see I'm missing the oscillator shoulder screw, but hopefully I'll be able to find that. Kind of a weird size. This fan doesn't have a start switch, I guess because it's a Robbins Myers made motor, not a Westinghouse, although it has a Westinghouse style switch, or speed coil rather, in the base, as he pointed out when we had the fan open and apart. But look at that. Isn't that sweet? So quiet. So quiet and smooth. And that black Japan will polish right up. You can even see the pinstriping. Here's the cage. Not too bent. Gonna have to resolder the flag there. Kind of come undone from the ring a little bit, but that can be fixed. Nice cage. Anyway, running nice and smooth, especially on low. We didn't really clean the bearings much, we just oiled them. And I have to clean the gearbox out of old grease, but I'm pleased.